Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to annotate PDFs in OneNote. This is incredibly useful if you're reviewing documents, studying from textbooks, or collaborating on projects where you need to mark up and add notes directly onto PDF files. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, you'll need to open your Microsoft OneNote app and load into your notebook. Make sure you're in the specific notebook where you want to work with your PDF. This could be a work notebook, a study notebook, or any organized space you've created for your documents. Once your notebook is fully loaded, you're ready to begin the annotation process. Now, to annotate PDFs in OneNote, you first need to add your PDF file to the page where you wish to do your annotation. Look at the top side menu and click on Insert. This opens up a range of options for adding different types of content to your page. From the Insert menu, look for the File Attachment option and click on it. This action will open a File Explorer window on your screen. In the File Explorer window, navigate through your folders to find the PDF file you wish to annotate. Once you've located it, click on it to select it. Take a moment to make sure you've selected the correct file, as this will be the document you'll be working with. After confirming your selection, click on Insert. At this point, you'll be prompted with a choice about how you would like to insert the file. You'll see two options, one to insert it as a file attachment, and another to insert it as a printout where the contents will be laid out directly on your page. For annotation purposes, select Insert Printout. This is the crucial choice that allows you to mark up the document directly. Once the PDF printout is added to your OneNote page, the annotation process becomes pretty straightforward and intuitive. Click on the Draw tab located in the top menu. This is where most of your annotation tools are housed, and it's your gateway to marking up the document exactly how you need it. You'll find various tools such as pens for drawing, highlighters for emphasizing important sections, a panning hand for moving around the document, and background format options. You can directly use these tools to annotate the PDF file you've just added. Simply select a pen or highlighter, choose your preferred color and thickness, and start marking up your document. You can also add shapes as dialog bubbles or text boxes if you need to insert additional comments or explanations alongside your markings. And there you have it. You've successfully set up and started annotating your PDF in OneNote, giving you the flexibility to mark up documents without leaving your note-taking environment. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.